Hey everyone, Vulcha Arash, welcome back to 365 Days of Irish Tenor Banjo Tunes. For those of you who might just be joining us, this is my New Year's resolution to pick up the banjo once a day, try and learn a new tune, but mostly it's designed to get me to practice. This is more for my own motivation and accountability than it probably is any sort of tutorial. But if you are a beginner like myself, then you may find this a suitable pace for you to learn this tune. Today we're doing one called the Kilglass Lakes. I haven't heard this song played before, but the name is familiar, so maybe I have somewhere back in the back of my head. Anyways, as always, we're going to do it first time through, nice and slow, and then I'll go practice for a bit. Don't have a ton of time for practice tonight, but then I'll try and speed it up, do a little bit of a faster, smoother version. So, first time through, nice and slow, Kilglass Lakes.
A few moments later.